doing? I'm Nick Riccione. I'm President and CEO of DNE Seal X-Fix. We're here today doing a cadaver lab with our frames. It's our first lab in the Las Vegas area. We got a bunch of docs here from Vegas, some from LA, all around the country.
It's just by having these labs, letting the doctors get hands-on experience with actual cadavers instead of saw bone and different things. It helps them, learn how to manipulate the seal frame.
The seal products separate themselves by the staff that they've hired to really make a difference in, with our surgeons and also the product helping patients.
I think seal separates their ability for multi-axial correction is the strength, the ability for a one-shot correction without multi-pieces, stability, correction ability, ease of use. The frame itself is very well workable. It's configured in such a way you don't have to look at so much about where to put this or that. It's already there. You know exactly where to place it.
If you really have a case and you have some interest in doing something with an external fixation frame that you're not sure if it can be done, he has an incredible mastery of what his device can do and what the other devices are out there have been utilized for historically. And if it's possible, I really think that he can come up with the construct to build it. So it's something that I think is something that combats that.
You're taking the frame to the deformity. In other words, if you get everything set up and everything, the ring plate and all these things are set up, you're not having to take apart things because there's not that element of angular correction and adaptation to the pathology and the mechanics that you need. You can orient it and then adjust with adjunctive devices to hold. And that's why I think these frames, and you guys will see in the lab, are so good.
Great, very hands-on, a lot of great knowledge here in the arena.
I like the idea that you can use the speed frame in conjunction with the monorails, which is a kind of a modification that's not available with other frames. Having used multiple frames in the industry, this is a modification that you wouldn't be able to accomplish with in general.
Today I was asked to participate in the lab, and I think the device shows a lot of promise. The struts seem to work really well. I was able to put a frame on today with my own construct design from another company, which was actually able to do it fairly quickly without ever having touched this frame before.
This frame give us options that we didn't have in the past with other external fixation frames. It's difficult to describe in a quick video segment, but what we see is that cases that would need multiple procedures and have to have variations performed throughout the healing course, especially with gradual correction of deformities, we're able to accomplish with one device that we can have all of our modifications performed in the office instead of bringing the patients back to the operating room to perform these gradual corrections.
Just winding down near the end of it. We've done a bunch of different type frames for different resections, different fusions, angular correction. It is called the seal frame, which stands for System for Externally Aligning Limbs. Our company has existed for 3 years. We had a company before that called R&R Medical, and this is the next generation of products. And we believe we currently have the best system on the market. Cut.